Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on your Word or Excel on your Mac, if you see this floating Copilot icon, if you want to get rid of it, to remove it, if you simply want to hide it, you can just make a right click on Copilot chat, and then once you make a right click, you will see dock option. You can dock it and it will be hidden. But if you want to remove it, then make a right click and then click on move to top. Once you move it to top, it will go to ribbon. Then make a right click on this ribbon. Now here you can see, yeah, it's added to ribbon. Now it will not disturb you. But still, if you want to get rid of from here, in that case, you can click on these three dots at the top and then go to more commands and then select ribbon over here. Once you select ribbon, now over here you can see assistance. Now you can select assistant and then you can click on this minus. This will remove it. Once removed, now you can click on save and then you can select Copilot over here. You can uncheck if you want to uncheck it. If you want, you can read this. If you want to, you can uncheck it and then close this, and then let me relaunch the Office application. You can relaunch it, and here you can see it's gone from the ribbon. From ribbon also it's gone, and over here you don't see the floating icon anymore. Now if you want to get it back, you can click on these three dots, more commands, select ribbon over here, and then you can click on this three dot, reset selected ribbon tab only, and then save it. And again you can select Copilot. If you want to enable it, and you can relaunch Word, and here you can see Copilot is back, but it's on the ribbon. If you want to move it to the bottom, you can move it to the bottom, but I want to remove it, so I will just move to top. Then I will click on these three dots, more commands, ribbon, assistance, and then minus, save it. Copilot, I will uncheck it, and then you can relaunch Word or Excel, and it's gone. So this is how you can remove it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.